I'm going to demonstrate how to glue on a grip. We've tried many different things and everybody has their own personal way, but at G2 this is the way that what we have found. Our throttle tube has an end, and what I like to do is it has a hole in there, but if I'm using glue, what I like to do is take a small piece of tape, and what I will do is I will put the tape over the hole in the end of the grip or the end of the throttle tube. The reason I do that is when I'm using glue, I do not want the glue going inside the tube and then drying and causing the throttle action not to be crisp and snap back. So once I put the tape over there, what I do is we have found that this is what we believe is the best. This is Loctite GO2 glue, and that is what we use. So what I do is I try to use a generous amount. Actually, I run a bead around the leading edge of the grip. I run it around the leading edge of the grip. And the reason for this is when I put the grip on, it will push all the glue onto the tube. I then run down the top side of the grip or the tube, and I don't put it any other place, and the reason not is when I put the grip on, I then slide it on, and as I'm putting it on, I slide it. This grip glue is designed that it takes about a half hour before it even starts to set up. And so it allows you to put the grip on the right way. If air tends to billow up when you're putting it on, just raise the edge and the air will go out. I push it on to where I'm going to let it go. And the glue takes about half hour before it starts to set up and 24 hours before that it dries. So I turn the grip till it's exactly where I want and wait 24 hours and you can go ride.